Hey everybody, it's Kyla Jewel and I'm about to show you how to do a edge and bun tutorial. Yeah, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. So first we're gonna go ahead and get that ponytail right. Yes, do it, girl, do it. You're gonna have your big Joe right there. It's in the camera. You're gonna get your brush. Can't stop loving you. You're gonna get in your comb, big two comb. Gonna put some gel on the edges and make sure it's enough so you can bring them down perfect so they won't look so dry. Brush them up, smooth them down. Just make sure they're looking good. And get it also in the middle so it can be laid down equal as the sides. Get some more gel. Oh no, my toothbrush ugly, y'all. Don't talk about my toothbrush. Please don't. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and start swooping them together and make them connected, okay? Alright? Pay attention, boo. Alright? Okay. Bring them down. Whew. Put that finger on top of them to hold it down. Then swoop it with the toothbrush. Y'all, please don't talk about my toothbrush. Please do not talk about it. I know. Like, I know. Okay. Keep swooping them. Then you're going to bring your baby hair from your sideburns. Then we're going to do the other side. Smooth them down. Keep smoothing them. Smooth down. Make sure they're smooth together. You're gonna bring it sideburn hair up and bring it down. Make sure you use one finger to make sure it's all the way curled. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the brush. The hair, the hairpin. Get the hairpins, put it in there, and then we're gonna get the comb and comb the ends out so the ends won't be sticking out of the bun. Comb the ends out nice and good so they won't come out the bun. Then you're gonna get the brush and you're gonna brush it out so it can be smooth, because you don't want your bun to look bumpy. Like, no, that's not cute. Jesus. Get your scarf and tie all your hair down so it can be smooth. Put some more gel in there so it can lay down good. Go ahead and put the scarf on so your hair can lay down. Sometimes you don't use that scarf, it don't work, baby, okay? Make sure you pay attention. Get that blow dry, y'all, so your hair can dry good. So when you get done blow drying it, you gotta take the scarf off, and then you're gonna have to blow dry it again, because it's not gonna get all the way dry with that scarf around it, because the air is not gonna get to your hair. So blow dry without the scarf, and it's gonna dry faster. Now you're gonna comb out the ponytail so it won't be so bumpy. Make sure your ponytail can look smooth all the way around. So you're gonna hold it right there. Make sure you don't twist it too tight, because then it's not gonna look smooth. It's gonna look too bumpy around it. Make sure you get them ends right. Make sure those are smooth too. Alright, okay. So smooth it out. So you see the little piece sticking there, gotta tap that down. Make sure you tuck the ends under the bun. And tuck it all the way under, all the way around. Make sure it's smooth. Tap it together. You're gonna get your hairpins and put it all the way around your bun how you like it, so your bun will not come off. And you look on the floor, it's on the floor. Get your blow dryer again so you can make sure it's always dry. And I am done. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel at It's Kyla Jewel. Thanks for watching. Bye.